Mnangagwa blasts dependent youths, while Loyalists cash in on bootlicking deals. The 29th of August, 2025. By a correspondent, President Emerson Mnangagwa has lashed out at young people for what he described as a vicious cycle of dependency, even as questions mount over lucrative rewards allegedly flowing to his most loyal allies. Speaking at the 386th Ordinary Session of the ZANU-PF Politburo on Wednesday, Mnangagwa warned against what he termed divisive politics, calling on party leaders to remain united and disciplined in their messaging. Political chicanery and tactics meant to mislead, confuse, as well as divide the party, and the nation at large must be nipped in the bud. We must all speak with one voice and march in one direction, Mnangagwa said. He ordered senior figures to align with the party's official position, discouraging private interpretations and off-script commentary. Horodi zivin hukambakwako wonda achitor, sehurongwa hwemusangano. Our communication must be disciplined. Muzanu pf tinamira pachikwadi. ZVAITWA pasi nazvo, he declared. Mnangagwa also turned his attention to the country's youth, insisting they must shun dependency and embrace self-reliance. We must never allow the youth and young people, as well as the women of our country, to be trapped in a vicious cycle of dependency. We are masters of our own destiny and a proud African people. This must never change, he said. However, his remarks have sparked criticism from young Zimbabweans who accuse the leadership of double standards. While the president denounces dependency, reports continue to surface that ZANU-PF loyalists are being rewarded with cash, vehicles, and other perks by businessman Wicknell Chivio in exchange for their public praise and allegiance to Mnangagwa's administration. Analysts argue that the ruling elite's culture of patronage undermines the message of self-reliance, particularly at a time when citizens are grappling with unemployment, a collapsing currency, and deepening poverty. Mnangagwa nonetheless insisted that the party's youth structures had matured politically, claiming they had moved beyond sloganeering.